looking for a way to make lessons more engaging and interactive. AhaSlides helps teachers, instructors, and trainers turn traditional presentations into active learning experiences with quizzes, polls, word clouds, and live participation. In this guide, I'll show you how to use AhaSlides for education in 2026. First, sign in to your AhaSlides account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools needed to build interactive lessons. Click New Presentation and start with a blank presentation or an education-focused template. Templates can save time and provide ideas for interactive lesson structures. Build your lesson by adding title slides, explanations, images, videos, diagrams, or imported presentation content. Organize information into clear sections that are easy for students to follow. Add quizzes, polls, word clouds, question and answer sessions, or brainstorming slides throughout the lesson. These activities encourage participation and help keep students engaged. Create quiz questions to check understanding during or after the lesson. You can use scores, timers, and leaderboards to make learning more interactive and motivating. Launch the presentation and share the join code, QR code, or participation link with your students. They can join using phones, tablets, laptops, or classroom computers. After the lesson, review quiz scores, poll results, and student feedback. These insights can help you identify learning gaps and improve future lessons. And that's how to use AhaSlides for education in 2026. By combining teaching materials with interactive activities, you can create lessons that are more engaging, memorable, and effective. So build your first interactive lesson and give your students a more active learning experience. Thanks for watching.